Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can open this temple in the new Fish It Ancient Jungle update. So as you can see, it says find the levers to open temple. So you'll need these 4 gems. What you need to do is you need to actually fish it. Get your Enchant Radar out, and you're just going to enable it and until you find like where you need to fish. So as you can see, I found one spot here. And where the radar shows, it will actually show the lever near it too. So here, I'll need to find a gem that looks like this. And then I will then place the item here and then pull the lever. So you need to kind of go around the island to find it. So make sure you have the fishing radar. Then you're just going to basically fish where the area is, and hopefully you'll be able to find the gem. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you found all the 4 gems, just put it in and then turn on the lever. Pull the lever. And you'll be able to open the temple. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.